Hey girl, hey, my name is Sunshine and you're watching Schedule and Save, where we schedule every minute and save every penny. Because what? Time is money. And with that being said, let's get started. So, first let's count to make sure we have all of the money. We're only cash stuffing $101 today. So it's going to be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. All right. So let's start with the everyday binder. I'm gonna find all the coins that I have in my purse. And this is all that I can scrape up for now that's in my purse. Alright, so coins will go in here. And then, like I say, at the end of each week, or when it's time to cash stuff again, I'm gonna take those out. And I've bought this coin tube wrap thing from Offline to help me wrap coins. And then I will switch them out for dollar bills when I go to the bank and cash stuff those as well. So coins deposit, it's not gonna come out of this, but I do have some money to deposit in the bank. So I'm gonna stick that in there, and my husband has to give me $15 more to deposit. So that I can deposit that in there. All right, food. I had 10 left, but however, we're gonna stuff $30 from food. And y'all, like I say, I'm just creating this. The $10 that was already supposed to be in here was in my other wallet that I carry in my purse. So now that I'm creating this everyday cash binder, it will go in there. So that's where that 10 came from. Okay. And spending is going to get nothing. I don't like how these zip close, but anyway, that's it for this binder. All right, short term, let's see what's gonna get stuffed. Car is gonna get $10. Because I'm saving for tires, and I need a signal light. On one car, I need a signal light and some wiper blades. Family Fun's not getting anything. and the other car need a set of tires. Well, one car need signal light, wiper blades, and oil change, and the other car, Given is not getting anything. Household, not getting anything. Trash pickup, $12.50. So 10, 11, 12. So yeah, wipers, oil change, and signal light on one car and a set of tires on the other. So that's it for short term. Long term. Let's see. Clothing's not getting anything. Health's getting 20. Kids, nothing. Makeup, nothing. Nail art, nothing. Savings is gonna get $4.50. Okay, I did that wrong. Health. Let's go back. Health is supposed to get 15. What did I put in health? Health was supposed to get 15, and I think I put 20 in health. So let's go back. 15 goes in health. Okay, savings will get the rest. But something still ain't right. Car was supposed to get 10. Did I put 30 in food? Because food was supposed to get 30. And I don't know what I put in here. Because I had 10 already. So food did get 30. Okay. Health 15. Trash pickup $12.50. Savings $4.50. Where's my calculator? Where's my calculator? Alright, so car was supposed to get 10. Health 15. Food 30. Trash pickup $12.50. Okay. So that left extra. Okay. So okay, I messed up somewhere, so I had to start over. So I put my change in here. It's supposed to be coins and not bank. This is my everyday cash binder deposit. I put that in there. Food, I had $10 already in my other wallet, and we're gonna get food 30. 20. No, let's just do 10s. Let's get food, $30. Spending's gonna get 5. All right, now these are done. Let's move to my short-term binder. And car is gonna get $30 because let's see, one of my cars need tires, oil change. One of my cars need oil change, wipers, and the signal light, and the other one needs new tires. So we're saving up for those. Family funds, not getting anything. Giving's not getting anything. Household trash pickup, $12.50. And I should have left my coins in here anyway. So $12.50 for trash pickup, because they charge $75 every 3 months, and I'm trying to save up bi-weekly for that. And then long-term binder, let's see, clothing's not getting anything. Health, nothing. Kids, nothing. Makeup, nothing. Nail art, nothing. Saving should get $10. And I must have missed one. I think I missed one from my everyday spending. Okay, I got hair and spending separate. So I put $5. It's supposed to be $18.50 instead of $5. So 5, 10. I don't know why I did that. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 50 for hair and spending. And that other $1, I'll just add it to spending. So we'll make that $19.50. All right, y'all. So, okay, guys. So that's it for my cash envelope stuffing and stuffing my low income paycheck. So, thank you for watching, as always. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.